Pero kinato ang buwan na even though He is God, nabi mo siya ay lago nga pakinanglan mga isoon. Yung pakinanglan mas sabaw pa sa kong pakinanglan mga isoon. So maulan, ganiya, kung saan man ta makamit sa pakinanglan o makatapo sa pakinanglan sa atong Diyos mga isoon. Unang ang key niya is to consecrate ourselves to God. No, God cannot work Himself into us without us consecrating ourselves to Him. So, maulang ang Diyos, ang verse na niya, come, for all things are now ready. Pero kung dito mo come, kung dito mo open up sa Diyos, mga igsoon, ang ready, maulay pulos na igsoon. God cannot work Himself into us. Maulang giniman na mga igsoon na day by day. So, kaning consecration, hindi siya once and for all. No, sa tuwang practice, sa worldly nga practice, every New Year, mabago na ko. After ilang weeks, mo gapon, bakyas. So, maulang consecration is a daily matter. So, consecration daw is to allow God to work Himself into us. Then, kung sa consecration, insert niya ups and downs na isuhol. So it means now, when God would work Himself into us, God would bring us na isuhol. Okay, gusto niya mamamit niya gusto niya mamit niya goal na isuhol. Pero kung nahin ko galingon, it is a hindrance sa iyang goal na isuhol. Unang mag-experience sa ups and downs sa tuwang Christian life, sa tuwang church life na isuhol. It is to break ourselves. No, hindi ka mag-break, kung mga ka mag-break na isuhol. Everything sa tuwang church life, sa tuwang Christian life, it is just a performance. Kamaunang it requires us to allow God to work Himself into us, to allow us to break us na isuhol. So, kaning breaking, hindi sa sayon. Easy to say, but my experience breaking my soul. No, gusto kayo siya, but it reminds kayo warning my soul. We should not ask for suffering. No, hindi ka mga kinakalangan na mo ask suffering my soul. Sufferings, failures could come my soul. It depends upon the Lord. No? Kung makita niya na wala na kasi mga proper life, line of life, then God will work my soul. No, day by day, we just need to allow God to work Himself into us. Allow God to break us my soul. Allow God to spread from our spirit into our soul. So, kaya kaning mga defeats na to, kaning mga failures na to, it will grant us to enjoy much of God's grace my soul. So, kaya kung hear me na victorious, no, makauna na God mga soul, maka-turn magkatay God. Diba? Makalimutan mga igsoon. That's why God would allow suffering sa tuwang church life. God would allow suffering sa tuwang Christian life mga igsoon. That would cause us to remind na God is still working within us mga igsoon.